So FAHREN sent me a pair of their new upgraded LED light bulbs for your headlamps. Now this is my fun car. This is a little bit older, but lucky for me, they happen to have a pair that fits. So these are 1000% brighter. So obviously these are at least 50 to 75% brighter than what I am using now. It comes in the white 65K color range, and they claim you could see 2,000 feet further, which I have no doubt that they will. Just looking at them in a little bit of dark lighting, the camera doesn't show how dark it is, but these really are a huge contrast between the stock and the upgraded FAHREN lights. So these are the Terminators, and they really will terminate the darkness. That's for sure. That's a little bit corny, but that's pretty funny. So easy, plug and play. They have a little card in the package that says for some vehicles a fault may be detected, maybe a flickering bulb, or they won't turn on. You could easily email them and they will send you a decoder, which could be a little transformer box that you plug in, and it makes the light work for your specific vehicle. Fortunately, I didn't need any decoders, and this also has, and you got the high and low beam chip in there. Can't go wrong with a simple upgrade. I did it in a matter of 5 minutes, and I'm ready to go and have more reliable vision and light. So the lifespan is 70,000 plus hours. It comes with a powerful 22,000 silent fan built in, which is kind of crazy to me, but they're giving you everything you need to have stable, long-lasting performance in any weather. And this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to be driving a lot easier with a lot of peace of mind and a lot of safety. So I'm looking forward to that. And these are a great pair. I think you will enjoy this upgrade. Just put them in the cart and buy with confidence.